What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and welcome to another review of an IPO for Lucas GC Limited, which will be trading under ticker symbol LGCL, Lima, Golf, Charlie, Lima. And they'll be trading on the NASDAQ exchange and will be IPOing on November 14th of 2023. Now, before we begin, I'd like to remind you guys that if you want access to our private Discord, so you can get our pre-market picks early, link to join us in the description down below, so be sure to check that out. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times, and just this past week, we have actually called out LIFW prior to its 530% run. We also called out HSCS prior to its 321% run. So I just gotta say, man, we are just made different. Just made different. The early bird gets the cash, the moolah, the loot, the cashola. And let's face it, if I told you all the other runners we had this past week, we'd be here all day, all night, all week, all month, maybe all year. So, yeah, I'm just gonna say we just made different. Now, we've also included a link to our membership website, program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380, probably closer to 400, maybe even more, episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we use candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more, guys. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join a membership website or not, but we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us right here. All right, now let's get right into this. So Lucas GC Limited, that's the name of the company, is the largest technology-driven online agent-centric human capital management service provider targeting professionals based on platform as a service, or PaaS, in China in terms of the number of active users in the human resources industry as of June 30th of 2022, and total net revenues for the year ended December 31st of 2021. As a company, the empowered by artificial intelligence, or AI as people like to call it, data analytics, and blockchain technologies, these guys are basically committed to digitalizing and intellectualizing the entire human capital management process. They also provide a platform to support trusted private social networks of professionals through which they use platform services consisting of recruitment services, outsourcing services, and other services such as information technology services and training services for these people. And their users are primarily professionals who work in HR and other related functions like that. Their corporate customers are corporations with recruitment, training, sales leads generation, and outsourcing demands. And now, as of June 30th of 2022, they had approximately 382,650 active registered users on their proprietary platforms, StarCareer and Columbus, through which the users of these platforms will receive customized job recommendations and work as talent scouts to provide to source suitable candidates for their corporate customers through their own trusted private social network, as well as receive training and other value-added services. Now, Lucas GC Limited was founded in China back in 2009 and operates in the staffing and employment services industry with a whopping 231 employees. Now, let's turn our attention to the IPO details. So, LGCL is offering 3,070,000 shares in its initial public offering, and the IPO stock price range has been set between $6 and $7. And with these numbers, I could basically estimate the deal size should be around 19.96 million, somewhere there. Now, please note that we are not stock professionals, nor are we stock advisors or financial planners. This is just a show. Hey! Always do your own due diligence before purchasing anything in the stock market at all whatsoever. Now, I might pre-buy this stock due to it being a Chinese IPO, which of course, in the IPO world tends to be the flavor of the day. Again, this is not stock advice, so do your own due diligence. You do you. This is what I'm doing. These are my opinions. This is what I'm doing. And that's it for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And as always, it's Double Nicks. I love you guys. I love you. And I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.